tree, that is 1. So 0 minus 1 means minus 1. So if so, who are the balanced? A is balanced, B is balanced, but C is not balanced. Same for here, C is balanced, B is also balanced, but A is not balanced. So if any node balance factor got -2 or +2, we need to balance it. Okay, so we have to follow four way or the four process, that is LL, RR, LR, RL. This four way we can balance it during the insert operation. During the insert operation, if the tree got unbalanced situation or got unbalanced, so that time using LL, LR, RR, RL, this four way we can balance it. Obviously, not every time. So we have to find out which way is the appropriate. Okay. So all the things should be discussed. Okay. Now we just check how it will balance basically. You can see there is a it is given and we have to make a AVL tree. Okay. So what is the process? So first AVL tree, obviously AVL tree is a binary search tree, but this is balanced binary search tree. Okay. So first 14 should be at root position. So what is the balance factor right now? 14 has no left subtree, no right subtree, so balance factor of 14 is 0. So now next 17. So 17 is greater than 14, so that is why it should be immediate right child of 14. Okay. Next is 11. So 11 is less than 40, so that is why it will be immediate left child. And thereafter 7. So where should we insert at this 7? So we have to compare with root first. 7 is less than 14. So we have to move towards the left child. Again 7 is less than. Okay. During this situation, before to insert 7, you can see what is the balance factor of 11? There is no child, so balance factor is 0. What is the balance factor of 17? There is no child of 17, so it is 0 balance factor. And what is the balance factor of 14? So 14 is left side is height 1, right side is height 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can say this tree is balanced, so we need not balance it. Okay. Then we insert 7. So 7 is less than 14, go to the left. 7 is less than 11, so go to the left. So 7 should be immediate left child of 11. Okay. Then 53. So after insertion, you can see what is the balance factor of 7? That is 0. So every time after insertion, you have to calculate the balance factor if there is any contradiction occur. Contradiction means basically if any node got unbalanced, we have to balance it. So right now we can see what is the balance factor 7? That is 0. What is the balance factor of 11? That is 1 minus 0. So that means positive 1. So that is also balanced. Okay. What is the balance factor of 17? That is 0 minus 0. So that is 0. Now what is the balance factor of 14? So this side is 1. Sorry, 1 and 1, 2 edge. What is the balance, height of left subtree? That is 2. Because to reach 7, we need 2 edge. So for from 14. Okay. So 2h, so height is 2 minus the balance factor height of right subtree, that is 1. So 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So balance factor of 14 is 1. So all the node 0, 0, 1, 1, all the node balance factor between the range -1 to +1. So these are the, so we can say the tree is balanced right now. So now we want to insert 53. So 53 is greater than 14, greater than 17, so immediate right child of 17. Again you have to calculate. So 7 and 53 both is balance factor is 0. 11 is positive 1 and 17 is 0 minus 1, that is why minus 1. So these are balanced because balance factor is minus 1 less equals to x less equals to plus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1, this is balance. If any node got minus 1 to plus 1 balance factor, so we can say that is balance. So what is the balance factor of 14? So this side is 2, this side is also 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So we can say tree is balanced right now. Okay. Then we insert 4. So 4 come less than 7, so that is why go to the left subtree. So now what is the balance factor? 4 is 0, 7 is 1, 53 is 0, 17 is minus 1. Okay. Now what is the balance factor of 14? 14, in the left side the height is 3, in the right side the height is 2. So 3 minus 2 is positive 1. So 14 is balanced, 17 is balanced, 53 is balanced, 4 is balanced, 7 is balanced. Now consider 11. So what is the balance factor of 11? You can see in the left side there is 2. Height is 2 because 11 have 2 left child. Okay, and the height of left subtree is 2, and the right side there is no child, so height of right subtree is 0. So now 2 minus 0 is 2, so you know this is out of the range, so 11 is unbalanced, we need to balance it. Okay, this is the way we have to, every time in every step we have to insert one by one element as a node. Okay, and after, just like binary search tree, we have to insert it, and thereafter if every time we have to calculate the balance factor of every node, because every time balance factor will be changed. Okay, so every time we have to mention the balance factor, just like that, every time on over the node or beside the node we have to mention the balance factor every time after insertion, or in every step we have to mention it. Okay, so now what is the process? So this is, we have to find out which way we have to perform this balance. So you know 11, so after insertion, after insertion of 4, the tree got unbalanced. Before that it was balanced. So inserting, last inserting element is very vital. 4. So according to 4, who is the closest node of 4 got unbalanced? First of all, we have to think, maybe in a tree more than one node got unbalanced. Maybe in a tree for insert a particular value, more than one node got unbalanced. But the closest to the inserting node, closest to inserting node got unbalanced, that is called pivot node. What is called pivot node? The closest unbalanced node of the newly inserted node is called pivot node. Okay, pivot means, pivot is a vital node. According to that particular node we have to balance it. Okay, so here if we consider this is a pivot node, so after got the pivot node, which one is the pivot node, now we have to apply the which process, by which process we have to balance it. So we know there are four process, that is LL, RR, LR, RL. Okay, so here we have to find out which. Okay, so according to pivot we insert in which position. Okay, understand? So pivot, you can see 4 is inserted at pivot's left child left subtree. We okay. So here you can see pivot is 11, and according to this pivot, the newly added element is stored or insert at its left child's immediate left child's left subtree. So left child got, what is the first letter of left child? What is the first letter of left? That is L. And what is the first letter of another left subtree? So both the situation we inserting in left child's left subtree, so that is LL. So we go for LL operation, okay, or LL rotation. So what is the LL rotation? LL rotation means, if you can say this is a scale, this is a scale, so this side is weighted, more weighted than the right side. So we have to take this direction. We have to take, that means we basically rotate left to right direction, just like that, left to right direction. So if we rotate left to right direction, this will happen with the pivot node. That means not the root node or parent of pivot node, only to pivot node. Okay, so pivot node, if we rotate it, we have to balance it. So 7, so that means left side will be up, the direction of left side will be upward direction, and right side of 11 should be downward direction. This is called the left to right direction. Okay, so now if the situation is like that, 7 will come at 11, the position of 11, 4 will come at 7 position, and 11 will be the immediate right child of this situation. So this will be balanced. This is the rotation. What is the rotation? 7 come to position of 11, 4 come to position of 7, and 11 come to